stretching, tensioning of saw blade. How do you do it? How do we do it? Okay, when you don't have enough tensioning, then your surface will be very curved and will not sit properly on your bend wheel. Okay, when you check it with straight edge template. So what happens is that when you want to do tensioning or stretching, you need a tensioning machine, you need dog head, you need tensioning machine, okay, then you need dog head hammer. This is your saw blade. When you want to run it, normally we'll run the middle layer. These are high tensioning. Okay, medium tensioning together with on top, and low tensioning. Okay, this is normally the way the industry is doing it. High tensioning means that if you run it like 3 times, you roll it 3 times, you roll it 3 times. Medium tensioning, maybe you roll it 2 times. Same rolling, but 2 times. Let's say this one 3 times, this one 2 times. You roll it 2 times, alright. Tensioning machine is just like a roller on top and bottom. You run through your saw blade, going back and back 3 times, 2 times, and 1 time, for example. Okay, that's what you call low tensioning. You round it only once. Medium tensioning, you round it 2. High tensioning, you round it 3. Meaning that the result from here on this surface is that you get curve. This one is higher curve, lower curve, lower curve, a curve. If you look at it sideways, your saw blade will become like this. This is the curve. Okay, the higher tensioning you do, the more curve it is, right? The medium tensioning, medium curve. Low tensioning, lower curve, right? This one, it will sit properly on your bend wheel. Alright, so do not tension sawtooth. Do not tension your gullet area. Never do that. When you start doing it, you have defects coming out, maybe cracks. Okay, and you do not want that on your saw blade, and it's very dangerous.